Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 4 data handling exercise 4.1 problem number 3. The question is draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by the group of people. So here when we observe the table, colors are given. Okay. So the colors are blue, green, red and yellow. The number of people who liked it is 18, 9, 6 and 3. Total is 36. Okay. So in order to draw the pie chart, okay, first we have to find out the fraction and the central angle. Okay. So for the first color, blue color, the number of people who liked it is 18. Okay. So the fraction is calculated by 18 divided by what is the total number of people? Total number of people is 36. Okay, so 18 by 36. Out of 36 people, 18 people prefer the color blue. Okay, so we have to write the fraction such that it is 18 by the total number of people 36. Similarly, write for other colors also. So for the green, it is 9 by 36. For red, it is 6 by 36. For yellow, it is 3 by 36. And then central angle we have to determine in order to draw the pie chart. Pie chart is nothing but which is drawn with the circle which is around 360 degree. Okay. So out of 360 degree, okay, each and every color, how much it will occupy the angle. Okay, that we are going to find out. So each and every term we have to multiply by 360 degree. So 18 by 36 into 360 degree. Okay. Similarly, 9 by 36 into 360 degree. 6 by 36 into 360 degree since we are going to draw with the pie chart. 3 by 36 into 360 degree. Okay. So, anyway, 360 divided by 36 is what? 36 ones are 36, here 36 ones are 36, 1 0 is there, so 10. Okay. So when you cancel out this term, we will be getting 10. Okay. Similarly, for all the terms we are getting 10 degree, right? Okay. So now numerator, it is 18 into 10, okay, which is nothing but 180 degree, and here it is 9 into 10, it is 90 degree. 6 into 10, it is 60 degree. 3 into 10, which is 30 degree. Okay. So using these values, that is for each and every color, right? For blue, green, red and yellow, what are all the central angles obtained? For blue, it is 180 degree. For green, it is 90 degree. For red, it is 60 degree. For yellow, it is 30 degree. Okay. So, using these values, we are going to draw the pie chart now. In order to draw the pie chart, first use the compass with the pencil and draw the circle neatly and mark the midpoint properly. Okay. First draw the circle with the pencil properly and complete the circle. Then mark the midpoint with the pencil like this properly. So once you have done, use the protractor. Keep the protractor in the middle point properly as like this, and then measure the angle anti-clockwise from 0 degree. Okay. So mark the point across the 0 degree, and then our first color is blue color, and then the angle is 180 degree. So we have to measure the angle 180 degree from 0 degree. Okay. So it will be like this, and mark the 180 degree which is at the other end of the protractor like this. Okay. So now you have 3 points. Okay. Now we are going to connect the middle point and then the other end of the circle. Okay. So connect the line like this, horizontal line you have to draw such that it will connect the 0 degree and 180 degree. Okay, so you have the 180 degree angle now. Okay, next color is green color. Green color is 90 degree. So now 180 degree is the baseline. Okay, so you have to rotate the paper like this, and then now 180 degree is the baseline. Okay, so keep the protractor in the middle point. Okay, such that you have again measurement from 0 degree. Okay, so from 0 degree you have to measure again up to 90 degree. Okay, mark a point and make use of your scale such that you have to connect the middle point with that point. Okay, and draw the line from the midpoint up to the circle. Okay, now this angle is right angle, which is nothing but 90 degree. Okay, and then the next color is red color, which is 60 degree. So now this 90 degree line is the baseline. Okay, so keep the protractor properly such that it connects the midpoint and 90 degree line. Okay, so keep it properly and measure the angle again from 0 degree. Okay, so from there you have to measure up to 60 degree, mark a point, and you have to draw the line such that it connects the midpoint and the circle. Okay, so keep the scale such that you are going to connect the circle and the midpoint properly across the 60 degree point. Okay, and mark the angle 60 degree. The last one is yellow, 30 degree. Okay, so when you measure the remaining angle, definitely it will be of 30 degree. Okay, so now the 60 degree line is nothing but baseline. From there you measure. Okay, so exactly it is 30 degree. Okay, so no need to draw any line for last angle. So just draw the name across each center angle. So 180 degree is blue, and then 90 degree is green, and then 60 degree is red, and then 30 degree is yellow. Okay, so like this across the central angle write the name of the colors, and then outside and all we have written some degrees. Okay, that is rough work, you just erase all those things. Okay, and exact pie chart will looks like this. Okay, so you have blue color 180 degree, green 90 degree, red 60 degree, yellow 30 degree. Okay, so this is the complete pie chart. Thank you. Thanks for watching.